So in 6 years of slime making, it seems that every single time I try to make slime, I over-activate it. There was an incident once with an entire gallon of glue.
There was?
I thought I was going to be really cool and make a huge slime, and it was going to be awesome. So I took one of these, and next thing you know, it's just a big bowl of like rubber rocks. Completely useless.
Nice story time. You need to make a story time of all the fails you've done that you remember.
Our first slime is a butter slime. Now, if you're using contact solution, make sure you check the ingredients to see that it has boric acid in it. It is your cross-linker source, and without it, you just end up with watery glue. Human whisk.
Not. The human whisk goes much faster.
Non-newtonian. Ooh, yeah.
That's not a little bit, thanks.
Another cool thing about slime is that it's a non-Newtonian fluid, which means it doesn't act like you expect liquid to act. If I stirred water at different speeds, its viscosity doesn't change. But as the slime starts to come together, if I stir slowly, the mixture is liquidy, and if I stir faster, it's more solid, and it's so freaking cool.
Let me just pour all this in.
Go for it.
Help, help.
I got it. This is a lot of glue.
I just realized that.
It's a lot of glue.
Nope, it's not even half of it, friends. You may think it would be, but it is not. Oh, it's so heavy. It is so heavy. Here it is. How heavy is it to you?
That's pretty heavy.
No, help. It doesn't even fit.
We want to know what your favorite slime that we made today was. Put it in the comments. Thanks for being with us. If you want to see us make other weird things, check out that video right there.
Oh, it's so stuck.